Hello everyone! Grab your acrylic markers and draw this easy mountain scene along with me. Let's start with the outline first. Using a black marker, we will draw the mountain peaks first, and you can pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast. I want some of these higher peaks to have snow, so let's draw the snow line. Next, we will draw some clouds on the left and right sides of these mountain peaks. Now, let's draw a few pine trees at the bottom. These are very easy to draw. A few big ones and a few small ones on both sides should be enough. I will also show a few more pine trees in the distance. Let's add 2 small bushes in this open field, and our sketch is done. Now it's time to add the colours. I will start by adding a grey colour to the snow caps on the right side. This will create a shadow effect. Now, let's add in a patch of light blue colour on each mountain peak. This would be on the left side of each peak. Notice how I draw an outline first and then fill it in. This helps prevent the colour from crossing the black outline and also fills the edges neatly. Next, we will do a patch of blue colour in the middle of each mountain peak. Now, to finish the peaks, we will add the final patch of dark blue on the right side. This creates the same shadow effect we needed. I will add some light blue to the clouds. Now let's colour the pine trees we drew earlier at the base of this mountain. I'm using a dark green colour marker for this. To create the same light and shadow effect, I will use a light green marker to add a patch of colour on each pine tree. This will be in the upper left corner of each tree. After that, we will use a dark green colour to fill in the lower right corners of each tree. Let's use a light brown colour to add some colour to the left side of these tree trunks. Then I will use a dark brown colour to fill in the right part of these trunks. Now, let's colour in the upper portion of this field using a yellow marker. After that, the lower portion of this field can be coloured using a green marker. To show the sky, I will first roughly draw a circle above the mountains and clouds using a sky blue colour. We can fill in the colour using the same method. Final touch. Let's draw some birds in the sky. And our mountain drawing is complete. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more art videos.